Lesson 3, we go over ad creation process. So once you are in your business portfolio manager, go to add accounts and click open in ads manager. Once you click there, you're going to land on a page like this one where you have your ad account there. You can see how you can create ads. You can create ads and everything. So the first thing you do, or you will notice here, is you'll have a notification to declare whether you're doing ads for political and social issues. You'll also have a notification to add your payment details. So come to billing and payments, add your card there, and then you can start creating ads. In creating ads using Ad Manager, Ad Manager is basically the technology, the ad management technology marketers use to manage ads on Facebook, IG, Facebook or Meta Audience Network, and everywhere else, basically, that Facebook ads run. You can manage them from Ads Manager. Ads Manager has a hierarchical structure where we have campaigns. Inside campaigns, we have ad sets, and inside ad sets, we have ads. Each decision you make at each point gives you different options in the next level. So it's very important to understand. The first thing you do is click on create a campaign, and you can choose the campaign objective here. We are going to choose sales. You can choose awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, and sales. So we are going to choose sales. This Once you choose sales, this is a new format that they have. Usually we had Advantage Plus, shopping, and manual campaign creation setup. Right now, they are both combined. So you just click there, okay. You'll have chosen your campaign objective. So that's one of the most important. You can set the budget at the campaign level. If you have different ad sets, you'll be able to choose whether you want to manage your ads at the ad set level, your budget at the ad set level. So at the ad set level, and you can see this is the first folder where you have campaigns. Inside campaigns, you can have as many ad sets basically, and inside assets you can have many ads. So inside the ad set there, you can choose where you want your conversion to happen to take place, and these options you have here are determined by the objective you chose. So you can choose website. I've chosen website. You will need a performance goal, and you'll also need to choose the data set. Remember what we talked about data set. Data set is the code that you put in your website to track and to be able to choose or to understand people who are coming into your onto your website. You can choose here purchases, and now you'll be able to track purchases there. You can also choose the date where where you are when your ad will start. You can choose a net date. You can choose audiences, and here you can choose the location. You can also, once you choose location, you can choose even a specific location for your business. It could be a city, it could be a town, it could be even a suburb. All those you'll be able to do that. You can choose ad suggestion. Using ad suggestion basically means that you are suggesting the audience that Facebook can target, or you can limit your ads further, and this is where you'll be switching your setup to specifically ask Facebook to go for the people that you want. And under this one, you can choose the detailed targeting there and use interest. You can now choose interest. You could say digital marketing as an interest, and target people who are interested in digital marketing. You can have custom audiences, and I'll be showing you how to create different custom audiences. These are people who have visited your website or have interacted with you in one way or another. So so you can change locations under the ad set. You can change age, gender, can have custom audiences. I'll show you how to create custom audiences, detailed targeting. So using interest, behavior, languages, you can choose the language that you want there. The other thing you can do here is to choose, uh, you can choose placement, right? You can show more settings to choose the placement that you want, whether you want all platforms or you want specific to run Facebook ads only, IG only. You can also choose whether you want it to run on feeds, stories, all that you can choose at the ad set level. Then in the ad level, this is where you can use a combination of images, videos, links, text. You can use them under the image. So this is where you have your creatives and your messaging, and there are different types of ads that you can choose. So you can add the name there. You can choose whether it's a partnership ID. So if you're running ads for a brand, you're an influencer and you're running an ad for a brand, you can choose partnership ads. Choose the identity of the page that you want, an IG account. Creating an ad, you can have a new ad. You can use an existing post. Excuse my dog. Use existing post or use Creative Hub mockup. And I'll be showing you in other videos, I'll be showing you how to use Creative Hub mockup and things like that. They are usually very good when you have to show clients mockups. You can have manual upload and Advantage Plus catalog format. You can have flexible format. You can have single video. So flexible format is where you can use up to 10 different images in one ad. Single image ad, this is where you use one image or one video for the ad. Here you can use a combination. For flexible, you can use even a combination of images and videos. Carousel, this is where you have a carousel people can flip over. And a collection, this is where you have full mobile screen experience. Multi advertiser, when you check this, your ads will be suggested at the other brands and ads that are running. Choose the destination. This is where you send people the website. You can choose to have a display link there, and you can choose what add-ons you want to appear on your page, on your website. So if you choose Messenger, what will happen is that your WhatsApp number, like now I've chosen Messenger WhatsApp, so my WhatsApp number will appear on the landing page. So when a person lands there, they will be notified and prompted to send me a WhatsApp message. You can choose Messenger, IG. You can even choose to get people to call you. All those are add-ons that you can choose there. Set up the creative. This is now where you choose, depending on the format you had chosen, you choose the different type of images or creative that you want, whether image or video. um, Event, this is where you can add an event that probably you have, or you're running an event, you can add it there. Choose the event. So this means you must have created the event previously so that you can come here and add it. Add your translations. You can click here to add translation. So if a person is on a website or on a browser that is speaking in Swahili, they will get your ads translated to Swahili or any other language that you have there. Choose the tracking. This is now the data set that you chose previously. And then you can choose parameters. These parameters help you track or see where the ads came from. So that's about it in terms of creating ads. See you in the next lesson.